Good morning, students. Good morning. Yesterday we must have enjoyed the class, and we were talking about utility, marginal utility, total utility. You must be remember that. I can ask you a question, and definitely you will be able to answer. You can answer in your own words, and for that, reading the textbook also is very necessary, essential to you because you have a lot of time to read at home. What we learn in a utility, once again recap. Utility is a man's want satisfying power of a commodity, and the commodity may be anything. Mango, correct? You can say any other cupboard, book. Not only that, you can add dancing. A person who dance, he like dance. When he dance, he get the satisfaction from that. So there are variety of things that gives you satisfaction. It's not only product related, service related also, and that makes you much more happy. And you can count that, measure that in your own terms. You can rank them, number them. You can compare them also. Sometimes you say that instead of this particular mango, this mango was very sweet. You can feel that. That's why you can express it, that this particular mango is sweeter than this particular mango, correct? So satisfaction you can measure in numbers on the basis of the feeling or the judgment, and that was judgment we have put in schedule, correct? With the 1 unit of mango, 10 marginal utility you receive, and the total utility also remains the 10, same, that is 10. With the further consumption of the mango, second mango or the second unit of mango, you receive 8 unit of marginal utility. Why? Because the marginal utility will be declining with the additional consumption of the same unit, that is mango. So your total utility will be increasing, but that increase will be at a diminishing rate or decreasing rate. So 10 plus 8, 18. So your total utility will be 18. Correct? Total utility means what? Whatever number of units you have consumed, of that all the units of mangoes, total marginal utility is what? The total marginal utility is what? Total marginal utility is what? Total utility. Means first marginal utility with the plus second marginal utility, you will get the total utility. Initially there is only one marginal utility for the 1 unit, that is 10. That's why total utility is also 10. And for the second it is 8. So total utility is also 18. 10 plus 8, 18. So this is how further consumption will leads to decline in the marginal utility and increase in the total utility. That I have shown you very well yesterday in the table. You can see that once again. Okay. Let's see. See students, units 1, 2, 3, 4 and further 5, 6, 7, and the marginal utility which you are receiving is 10, then 8, then 6 and then 4. Here total utility which is 10, 18, why 18? Both the 2 units of mangoes, total utility is what? Marginal utility is what? 10 plus 8, 18. So it is 18. Then again with the further purchase or consumption of mango, you will have the lesser marginal utility, that is 6, from 8 to 6. So this 6 plus 18, 24. Now here marginal utility goes on diminishing, but total utility will be showing increasing, but that increase will be at a decreasing rate. Why? It's not 10 to 20 or 20 to 40. It's a 10 to 18, means less than double. That is why it is increasing at diminishing rate. Understand students? So you understand the total utility will be increasing at diminishing rate, and in that case time will come, this particular marginal utility of mango will goes on declining, and it will be at the last stage you will not receive any satisfaction only. It will be 0. In that time, total utility will start declining. Means here we say 10 to 18, instead of that 10 to 9 it will be. You understand? For the further units. You can see that again in the next consecutive consumption of mango. Okay. Let's see. With the further consumption of mango, total utility, marginal utility remains 2, only 2, means you are not getting more satisfaction, but your total utility becomes 30, and further total utility will not increase, it will remain only 30, while marginal utility will be 0. You will not receive any satisfaction, 0. This is the time that you have to be very careful, that you should stop purchasing mango or you will start omitting. That is what further will show. Further with the 7 mode, you will get the negative marginal utility, means no satisfaction. Here you will be omitting, correct? So you will stop purchasing. So this is what the satisfaction, consumption and the situation that you are going to face in the market, it depends upon. Now in the day-to-day life also this happens. Now you will say, sir, what you are saying, total utility, marginal utility, what's the use of this? We are going to the market, we feel that let's have one mango, so we eat it and consume it. But students, it's really very important to you. You know why? Because you purchase the thing sometimes because you need it, then it is okay. But sometimes it happens that you, even though for some other purpose you purchase it, and for that presently you may not have satisfaction, but tomorrow you may have satisfaction, because today you ate one mango, but tomorrow you may not have satisfaction. And that is why this particular theory or this particular concept is justified for a short period of time, means for that particular period of time only. As I said, with the one mango you will be much happy, and with the second mango your happiness level will be little declining, and with third more units again, okay, good mango, then okay, and then further consumption 5th unit, okay, enough here, then another consumption 7 unit, oh, you will start omitting. The reason is simple, your satisfaction level is over and you cannot consume it more. But the same mango, instead of one mango I purchased today, and tomorrow if I purchase the second mango, then your satisfaction will be as it is. So there should not be a distance, or there should not be a gap, then only this particular concept will be clear to you. Understand? So there are the rules that we will see in case of law of diminishing marginal utility in the next consecutive topic. This basic topic, if you understood, the next basic topic which is based on this particular concept is nothing but the law of diminishing marginal utility. So we will see this in the next class. Thank you, students.